Good morning, Jeffrey. Good to see you. And actually, I will see you at 10:30. However, I just wanted to give you the information that today I'm waiting at 10 for those who need some help, who needs any help with the math project. Okay? So if you have some questions or if you need my help, feel free. I will be waiting at 10 on Zoom. And the rest may join at 10:30. So the lesson starts at 10:30 and I will be there half an hour before the lesson just to help you if you need it. I would like you to have your reading comprehensions with you, okay? Because we are going to check the answers. And there will be also some discussion about renewable and non-renewable resources. And I have a short quiz for you about natural and man-made resources. But don't feel stressed, of course. It's just a short activity. Okay, so if it's about the maths, I would like you to work on your projects. That's why there are no tasks for today. Just keep working, do your work, and if you are done with the math project with the perimeter and area, designing your dream house, there is one task you may complete. It's also about the area and perimeter of irregular shapes. It's uploaded on Google Drive, the editable document, of course, so you can just type the answers and save it as the document using your name and surname, and then upload it on Google Drive to your folder, or print out the worksheets and then take a photo of it and send it to me, or if you want, just write down the answers in your math notebook and then the photo as well. Okay, so that's maths. English. In your diary, I would like you to write about your favorite place outside to explore. 5 sentences, please. Okay? And still practicing homophones. So remember that they are the words that sound the same but have different meanings. So, and now you may choose your task if it's about the homophones. So there are 2 activities. The first one is easier because you need to choose the correct word, okay? So last week I rode a horse along the trail in the mountains. So which road will you choose? Yeah, road, the past form of right, of course. And we spelled R-O-D-E. Correct. And then more examples, just to choose the correct spelling. And if you feel that task is not challenging for you, I've got something different for you. You've got the pairs of the homophones, and I would like you to write a sentence for each homophone and use it correctly in the sentence. Okay? So this time you may choose. But remember to challenge yourself a bit. Okay? So don't choose too easy tasks because then it will be boring. Try to think which one will be challenging but not too complicated for you. If you want, you may do both tasks. Feel free. Okay? If not, just choose the one that you feel will be better for you. The tasks are uploaded to your folders, so you may use the editable version, or again print it, write the answers, send a photo, or simply write the answers in your English notebook. If you want to practice homophones a bit more, there are some games. And again, there are different levels. So you will be able to choose the level that you think is best for you. So the elementary tasks are, as you can see, quite easy. and you choose the synonyms, homophones, sorry, homophones, of course, intermediate ones, or advanced. So the best ones for you are, you may start with the elementary, then move on intermediate ones and advanced, or you may start with intermediate and then move to advanced if you want, or just practice the elementary ones. Up to you. Okay, the best for you, and you know what's best for you, I hope. And now you need an inquiry. For that, I would like you to check the presentation uploaded on Google Drive. Okay. The presentation is about renewable and non-renewable resources. And after looking at the presentation and reading the information there, I would like you to find the most interesting or the most surprising facts you have learned thanks to that presentation. So please take notes in your unit of inquiry. Okay? 3. If you have more, okay, but at least 3. The most surprising or the most important facts you have learned thanks to it. And that's it for today. So see you at 10:30 if you don't need any help, or at 10 if you need, or if you have some questions about the designing your dream house project. Okay? Bye bye. See ya.